Want more likes and comments on your art? Try adding shading. Shading, a technique that artists use to add more depth to their art and make it look realistic. I've had many people ask me how I do my shading, one person in particular, and in this video I'll break down my process on how I do shading. Feel free to use this method for your art as well. First, you'll want to have these steps down: your sketch, your line art, and your flat colors. Then you will want to create a new layer and have all your shading done here. Next, turn off your flat color layer by hitting the I button and use a black colored brush. Usually I use a combination of the inking pen brush and this paintbrush in Autodesk Sketchbook. Before I get into making strokes, I create an arrow where my light source is coming from and then start painting where the shadows would be. I usually have in mind that this arrow represents a little flashlight putting light onto my character, and then I put dark brushes or dark strokes respectively. This painting process usually takes a while, so just jam out to some nice music while doing it. Once you finish your shading, you're going to want to turn on your flat color layer, and now you have this. But you don't want this. The shading comes out gross looking and it's not good. So you duplicate your shading layer so you have two. Lock your first one and then change the layer blending to either linear, burn, overlay, or multiply. Protect alpha the layer so that your brush strokes stay on the shaded strokes, and airbrush some color into some areas. Duplicate the locked black shading layer, unlock it, and lower the opacity on your layer so the shading and colors are richer. Then boom, you got your shaded artwork.
Hey, that's pretty good.
I picked up my method for shading by this dude called Marc Brunet. I think I'm saying that right. I'm sorry if I'm not. On YouTube, and all his videos have been helping me a lot on my art journey. If you guys want to check him out, his YouTube channel will be linked into the description. If you guys want more videos like this, I can create a tutorial on lighting, so then your shading artwork can look like this to this. I'll only do this if my video hits 500 views, so make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below how long you've been drawing if you're an artist. If you tried this shading technique, I would love to see what the result looks like, so please get in touch with me either through my Discord or Instagram. I linked my Discord server in the description of this video, as well as my Instagram, TikTok, and AJPW users, so feel free to check those out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then!